What's going on, guys? So we are back home for the end of the season until after Christmas, and we got home and our car wouldn't start. So I'm having to replace the starter in the car. It's a 2005 Honda Accord, and that all starts right now. Alright, so I'm going to do this video in reverse because I've already taken it all apart, and I looked on the internet a lot trying to figure out a quick answer of where the hell the starter was at. So when this is all together, your plenum connects to your intake manifold here, and it covers this whole area, and the starter connects right here, and the only way to get to the starter is take the plenum off of the intake manifold. That was an answer I was trying to find quickly online, couldn't, so maybe this will help save you some time. Alright, well, first things first, I got the new starter in, so first thing is to put the new starter in, and once I get that done, I will be back to show you the next step. Be right back. Alright, so you reconnect your power cable with a 12mm nut, put the rubber grommet back over it for weather sealing, and then your little clip right here, and you want to, your knock sensor right here, you're going to want to plug that back in as well. I might have to unplug that just to stick it back in the hole and then replug it back in, but that's the next step. And once I get this back in the hole and get the two bolts back on there, I'll be right back. Alright, with it back in, bolted in, your bottom one right here is a 17, and the one right back here, this long one, is a 14. So what we're going to do is, now we're going to get our knock sensor plugged back in. Alright, that's all plugged in there. Let me see. This one plugs in behind the plenum. Alright, this is going to slide on this little metal bar right here. This clips on right there, and then alright, so now we got to get the plenum back in here, and I'll be right back. Alright, now with the plenum back in place, you can see exactly what I'm talking about you not being able to get to the starter at all. So we're gonna have our 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 nuts to get that back on, and then one right down there where my finger's at, that one is connected to a bracket that supports the weight of the plenum itself, and then we get a plug in the connectors. This one goes here, you know, obviously this one goes back on it right there. We got to plug in these 2 coolant hoses for your throttle body, and this piece right here, I got it taped on there, but it bolts into right here. Let me get all of those done, and then I will be right back. Alright, so the nuts and bolts for the plenum are 12mm. I went ahead and I connected this main hose right here. I need to bring this down, connected that connector, bolted that back in. That's a 10mm. I put this hose back on the throttle body. I need to get these 2 bolts out of here. I pushed those into those coolant lines so I didn't lose coolant, and obviously those go on the plenum over here. Let me get those out, get those 2 hoses connected to those 2 spots right there on the throttle body, and then I'll get this connector plugged in, and we're nearing the end, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, so like I said, I got that connector connected, I got this connector connected, got both of my coolant lines right here connected to the throttle body, and from the looks of things, all I got to do left is just put on this connector for the air box to the throttle body here, and then these 2 pieces right here stick in the side of that hose. Alright, so batteries connected, this pipe from the air filter to the manifold is connected. I got this piece connected to the back of it, that piece connected to the back of it. As far as I can see, everything's plugged in, so we're going to get in the car, we're going to try to start her up, and I will be right back. Okay, alright, so I got everything buttoned up under the hood, and we're going to go ahead and start her up. Wow, that was pretty quick. That was a whole lot faster than it used to be. Alright guys, so we got it all fixed. I hope this was a fast and timely manner for you guys, because I mean, I hate watching long videos too. Alright, so if this helped you out, like, subscribe, comment below. If you think I did something wrong, tell me how bad I suck, whatever. Alright guys, take it easy.